We step away from social media now and begin looking at how we can use some free online tools to gather intelligence about people. All the challenges in this section demand only your own research and any information or resources attached to the challenges themselves. As is the case with the other streams, challenges increment in difficulty, so it's advised to start from the lowest value and work your way through to the most valuable challenge instead of picking challenges here and there. Although if you do feel as though this approach could work for you, feel free to use it. It's just some general guidance that could help with your progress. Unlike the previous stream, Life Online, the stream named Evidence Investigation is such that all challenges are completely independent of one another. So with this challenge named DVLA, we will be using a UK government-backed tool in order to recover some basic information about a vehicle. Note that the vehicle used in this demonstration is indeed different to what is shown in the picture attached to the challenge. Looking at this car registration plate we found on the internet here, we note this as PE11RYX and come over to Google. We run a quick search for DVLA car information and click on this result here. Coming onto this, we were able to type in a registration number, which I will do from the previous image. Submitting this reveals that the car has been found and we are met with a range of information about it. So have a go of this with the car attached to the challenge and see if you can crack it. Best of luck. The challenge named Connection Refused refers us to a website which is seemingly not responding, and indeed this is because it is no longer live. However, there is a way around this. This challenge relies on you being able to see what a website looked like at a point in the past. Once you know how to do this, you'll be able to crack the challenge itself. Coming over to Google here, we search for the Wayback Machine. This is a service which routinely caches websites in all corners of the web so that we can pull the older versions of these websites whenever we please. Do note, however, though, that different websites will have varying numbers of snapshots and some websites may not have any at all. Taking the BBC News website as an example, we can start to look at how it has been presented over the years. This should be useful knowledge and enable you to complete the challenge without any difficulties. Best of luck for this challenge. So for this challenge we're required to be familiar with barcodes. Essentially barcodes are a way to envelop information that is easily readable by a machine, although this doesn't necessarily mean that they are particularly readable for humans. I've generated an example barcode here, and there is a sentence of text within this. We need to decode this to reveal the sentence, and we can achieve this with one of the many free online tools. Running a quick Google search for a barcode reader enables us to access this tool, where we're able to select the type of barcode that we're dealing with, select the location of the image on our computer, and then click the read button. Straight away, the website has decoded the contents of this barcode, and we can see the sentence of text. Now you can apply what you know to help you with making sense of the boarding pass and solving the challenge itself. Best of luck. For the challenge named Big Brother, we are given a live camera stream that we need to find the country it's broadcasting from. I've loaded up an alternative camera that is different from the one referenced in the challenge, just to demonstrate what we can do in order to find this information. This exercise is centered around an IP address. What this essentially is a unique identifier for every device on the internet, or in this case, something of a unique address for the entry point into the network where the camera is running from. Think about how you have a unique address for your house. It is really quite similar to this. We're able to use free-to-access tools in order to track an approximate location for an IP address that is certainly precise enough to be able to identify the country of origin. A quick Google search again can lead us to the IP tracking tool here. When I enter the IP address of the camera we just saw, I'm able to find that it is indeed based in Sweden. So go ahead and try this technique yourself with the challenge and see if you can find the answer to that one.